We're here at 7209 Flint Stone Way. This is brand new construction, never lived in. It is one half of a duplex, so you've got neighbors on one side of you here, but brand new neighborhood going in. This is fantastic. You need to take a look at it. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and we don't even have the blinds or the refrigerator in yet, but those are on order. So everything will be brand new waiting for you when you get here. You do have a little closet here as you walk in, but nice big open living room, vaulted ceilings with the ceiling fan there, open concept to the kitchen, granite countertops throughout. You notice the rounded corners here, another nice little upgrade. So these are very well laid out. You do have your stove, microwave, dishwasher, garbage disposal. You've got your kitchen island. You will have a refrigerator, brand new, going in there, another stainless steel. You've got your dining area off the kitchen. As we walk back to the back of the house, we have all the bedrooms. Here is the guest bathroom. So, very nice in there. We'll start here in the primary bedroom, ceiling fan. You can see that you do have access to go to the back of the house out here. So you've got a nice little deck out back. Then as we walk through, you've got your ensuite bathroom with the dual vanities. So you can see the stand-up shower in this one. And you've got your dual vanities here, looking nice with a nice big spacious walk-in closet as well. So very nicely appointed. When we come on through, we have 2 additional guest bedrooms here. So plenty of room in these as well, you can see. And again, you got a nice closet there, but we do have blinds on order. We do have the refrigerator. So this will be well appointed by the time you're ready to move in. So you can see here in the second guest bedroom, come through. Nice low maintenance floors here. And then we've got your laundry room before you head out to the garage. So nice laundry room here, and you do have a 2-car garage. So plenty of room with that. And then outside you've got the water heater and your heat and air units over there, so a little bit extra room. But again, this is perfect 1-level living, low maintenance. We're just waiting on you to schedule your viewing. KeyrenterKnoxville.com, and we'll see you soon.